Welcome back. Today we're going to be going over three trades I took this week: BTC long, Solana long, Ether long, all using the same strategy. We're going to start with BTC. So basically we have the weekly range marked out from last week. I've been bullish. So when you go on the 12H, we had this deviation, or actually let's zoom in more. You can see it clear as day on the 4 and the 1H. We got this deviation on their mid-range of last week. Then we had the strong close, right? One, twice, that formed that fair value gap. And then I entered, and it was literally up only. We had this flush, but I continued to hold. And this basically hit for a 4R. My main target was 118, but I decided to close here because tomorrow's Friday, and just you never know what's gonna happen on the weekends. So I wanted to secure the profit. It's been a very good week. Now, for me to get back in on this, I would love to see us take out this liquidity here, maybe refill this fair value gap one more time. Deviation on their last week's high, on their this last this last Monday's high, and then I reclaim and retest. Same kind of like this scenario here. Would love to see something like that happen here. I don't think that's gonna happen now. Like we're breaking out. So with that being said, I think I fumbled some of this bag, but it is what it is. We'll have more opportunities. Um, but yeah, that's that for Bitcoin. Nothing crazy. Now for ETH, same thing. We have that deviation on their mid-range from last week. Then we had the strong close on this candle compared to this last high that formed that fair value gap, and then these candles all respected this fair value gap. So after we got this strong close, I entered, and this thing went crazy. Actually, I entered this last night, and this whole move here happened when I was sleeping. I woke up, and we were at like this candle this morning, and then I'm pretty sure I closed. I think it was on like this candle here somewhere. Like once we broke out of this high, I closed, and then I don't know what the hell happened here on ETH, but this was a wild candle. Did BTC do the same? Was it this candle? Yeah, I think it was this candle on BTC, or this one. I think it was this one. But anyways, yeah, that was that for ETH. Literally same exact strategy. If you mark out your weekly ranges, your key levels are there for you. Key high, mid range, key low. Okay? You should be doing business at those levels based off of your bias on the weekly. Okay? Alright, so moving on. Solana, same thing, has been super strong, super bullish. We broke out of last week's high, had a double retest, then clear as day, we had the strong close on this candle here compared to this last high, formed that fair value gap that held as support. I entered, I think it was on this candle, this down move here, because I wanted to get the best entry possible. And then it was literally up only since. This was a 2.7R in a 6% move. ETH, we caught, this was almost a 2R, so let me see. I think I closed like over here, 1.6 on ETH and 4.08 on BTC. It has been a very good week for me trading. I cannot complain. With that being said, I hope this helped you guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.